Welcome to our DDR5 RAM Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between two standout products from Corsair's Vengeance series. On one side, we have the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM 64GB, designed for those who need massive memory for professional applications. On the other side, we have the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB, which offers stunning speed and aesthetics for gamers. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of capacity, speed, and overall performance. When it comes to memory capacity, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM 64GB kit takes the lead with its massive 64GB total capacity. This is ideal for professionals who engage in heavy multitasking, 4K video editing, or running virtual machines. On the other hand, the Corsair Vengeance RGB 32GB kit, while offering a generous 32GB, is more suited for gaming and general use. For most gamers, 32GB is more than sufficient. But for those who need extensive memory for demanding applications, the 64GB kit is the clear winner. In terms of speed, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB kit shines with its impressive 6000 MHz clock speed. This higher frequency translates to better performance in gaming and applications that benefit from faster memory. Conversely, the 64GB kit operates at a lower 5200 MHz, which, while stable, does not match the speed of its RGB counterpart. For gamers and performance enthusiasts, the speed advantage of the 32GB kit is significant, especially in scenarios where lower latency is crucial. Aesthetically, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB kit is a showstopper with its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting that adds a vibrant touch to any gaming setup. In contrast, the 64GB kit opts for a more understated, sleek black design without RGB, making it a perfect choice for those who prefer a minimalistic look. While the RGB kit enhances visual appeal, the non-RGB design of the 64GB kit ensures compatibility with larger CPU coolers, making it a practical choice for high-performance builds. In conclusion, both the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM 64GB and the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB have their unique strengths. If you prioritize capacity for professional workloads, the 64GB kit is the way to go. However, if you seek speed and aesthetics for gaming, the 32GB RGB kit is the better choice. Ultimately, your decision should align with your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.